In Ohio, they found an elite Porsche 912, which was buried in a barn for 45 years. One of the most recognizable cars in the world is the Porsche 912. Although the car was finished in 1976, but its round headlights and distinctive body design are still recognizable today. It is worth saying that the car itself is considered to be exceptionally sporty, and both for driving in the city and rally competitions. The series of car was produced on a large scale. So many have been preserved until now, so we can enjoy the appearance of the car. Except there are stories of when the car was in terrible condition. Usually, these are abandoned cars, the owners of which have either left or for other reasons were forced to give up this elite car. One of these cars was found barricaded in a barn in Ohio. The car had been standing there since 1975 without moving, although it had been manufactured in 1967. So, for most of this life, it just stood there with no movement at all. It was in 45 years of standstill, and it was in the wrong conditions. The saddest thing is that the car is so rotten that it will be very difficult to restore it, and it is more a long-term project than an opportunity. The car is rusty almost all around the body. The bumper, fenders, doors, posts, roof, everything has traces of corrosion, and in some places are very deep. However, the citizen who found this car put it up for sale. In general, this car can be taken for restoration in someone's collection or for spare parts. The car has a certain charm, a relic of history. Maybe it could be identified in the Porsche Museum itself, but I'm not sure they want it. There is no history of this car crashing into the barn, but there are a few other interesting facts. Firstly, the car has a completely original design and all parts are original. Additionally, the car is black. It is known that only 3% of these cars were painted black. The rest were in other shades and colors. So, yet another tick in the sports car's historical value box. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing, and bye-bye.